Hey, it's Tony talking CarBiz. I'm here at the dealership up in the air with a 2019 Toyota Tacoma TRD off-road. And the thing that makes this one unique, it is actually getting retrofitted with custom running boards here in our shop. So the customer bought this vehicle and has decided that they want to do some custom work to it. They've already done a little bit of custom work, but now we're adding, we've got the additional step bumper going on the back here. And then this particular customer had somebody, not us, but somebody put these dampeners on the back suspension. So those are an air dampener, give the vehicle a little bit different ride than you'd normally get. So the rear suspension on a TRD off-road are leaf springs, and then the Bilstein shocks, which you see here, that's your standard TRD off-road rear suspension, but then with these dampeners that were put on aftermarket, not by us but by somebody else, that'll change the ride of it. And you can see they set it up so that they can be inflated right here using these inflation nozzles. So that's a custom add-on for this one. And then what we're doing here today is we're installing custom running boards. So on this side you can see the running boards have not been installed yet, and they're up here on the lift. So Steve's getting ready to put those on. And if I go around to the other side, you'll see where he's already installed it on this side. See if I can get it up high there. So when it comes down, I'll get kind of a look at it. But you can see they are a tubular style running board, and then they have the perforation in there, which if you go off-road, that's going to allow the mud and water to kind of sift through there much easier. So that's a 2019 Toyota Tacoma TRD off-road double cab, and we're just installing some custom equipment on it today for one of our customers. Hope you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned till the end, and we'll show you the finished product once it comes down. This is Tony. Okay, here we go. It's done. This is that 19 Tacoma TRD off-road. We installed custom running boards on here, and you can see these are a tubular style with a flat landing pad, and then they've got the holes cut out so it's perforated, and that'll give you better traction on those. Very durable, those tubular style. One of the things you'll notice about these running boards is they kind of bow out here at the back, and then they get narrow up by the doors. And the reason for that is this gives you actually a step into the bed. So you can step up and get into the bed by having it come just behind there and then bow out a little bit. Now we can install these running boards on any Tacoma right here at the dealership. And if you're buying a new one, I strongly recommend you buy the running boards from the dealership. Number one, they are Toyota approved. Number two, our technicians know exactly how to put them on. And then number three, the big thing is the savings. A lot of people will buy a truck and then leave the dealership, head over to the PEP Boys or wherever, buy their own running boards and put them on. But in order to buy them, they put it on their credit card and get to pay 19–20% interest. If you buy a Tacoma and you take advantage of low financing, for example, sometimes we have 1.9, 2.9, you can finance these accessories in the price of the vehicle, and you're going to save money on the interest and the financing because you're not going to pay 19% on your credit card. You're going to pay a low 1.2 or 3.9 on your car loan, which includes the accessories. Hope you enjoyed the video. This is Tony talking CarBiz. Thanks for watching.